brainwashed. Excellent. Okay, whoa. I wrote Mildred seeks for companionship in her TV family to assuage her emptiness. Because the whole time it feels like Mildred doesn't know what's going on. She's just sort of there. And yet when the book starts, what happens? She's trying to kill herself. Do you remember this? Yes. So she's obviously not happy. And when her husband asks her, why did you do that? She's like, oh, I don't know. Like, I would never do that. But there's something in there. She's feeling empty. She's feeling lonely. There's something else going in there. Can you think of other words that might work better than emptiness? What might be she trying to assuage inside of her to get rid of? Make less. You think of any other words? She's depressed. Maybe assuage her depression. Or aggravating depression. Excellent. Okay. All right, very good. So next step of the thematic recipe is to now move on to the author or to the title of the book. So you're going to say Fahrenheit 451, and then we're going to use one of our power verbs. Some of the power verbs you could use are suggests, conveys, portrays, highlights, demonstrates, illuminates, clarifies. Okay, so these are some power verbs that you could use. You don't use all of them, just choose one. Okay, so we can say Ray Bradbury in his novel Fahrenheit 451 suggests, or we could just say Fahrenheit or the novel Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. Either way, I want their name somewhere in there, the author's name. Okay, so go ahead and write that first part, however you want to do it. You want to just say Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. Suggests. I'm going to underline the book title. If I was typing this, how would I mark a title of a book? What would I do? Good, I would italicize it. But since I'm handwriting it, I'm just going to underline it. So Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury, or you could say Ray Bradbury's novel, Fahrenheit 451, how do you want to do it? And then choose a power verb here. Suggests. Now you're going to go back to your sentence. My sentence was, Mildred seeks her companionship in her TV family to assuage her emptiness. What is Ray Bradbury saying? What does his novel say to us about this idea of companionship and emptiness? So I'm going to now finish my sentence what I think the novel is suggesting about that idea here. Okay? So you're basically going to take these same ideas, but just turn them into a statement that the author is meaning to suggest or create. Okay?